स्टार्टअप्स का ये कल्चर देश के दूर दराज तक पहुंचे, इसके लिए 16 जनवरी को अब नेशनल स्टार्टअप डे के रूप में मनाने का फैसला भी किया गया है।
So 16th January नेशन विल बी सेलिब्रेटिंग नेशनल स्टार्टअप डे। और इसी सेगमेंट में आज हमारे साथ बात करने के लिए है नागपुर बेस्ड स्टार्टअप कंपनी के सीईओ खुशाल कटारा। मेरा पहला क्वेश्चन खुशाल से यही है, हाउ डिड दिस बिजनेस आइडिया केम टू यू एंड हाउ डिड यू डेवलप्ड इट?
So I started a startup which is in hyper local deliveries। मतलब हमारा एक स्टार्टअप है जिससे हम लोकल बिजनेसेस और इंडिविजुअल्स को डिलीवरी सर्विस प्रोवाइड करते हैं। इट्स जस्ट लाइक हाउ यू बुक एन ओला और ऊबर। तो अब एक लोकल बिजनेस कैन डू ऑनलाइन डिलीवरीज बाय प्रोवाइडिंग और बाय यूजिंग आवर सर्विसेज, एज इन अ फार्मेसी कैन सेंड मेडिसिन्स फ्रॉम देयर स्टोर टू देयर कस्टमर बाय यूजिंग आवर सर्विसेज, एंड इवन अ होम एंटरप्रेन्योर कैन स्टार्ट देयर ओन किचन एंड डिलीवर विद अस। So they only have to pay for the deliveries they have made.
Okay, so it's a service based business.
Yeah, it's a service based business.
Okay.
So how it started was, it was post Jio era कि सब लोग online आ चुके थे, and you know everyone was coming online, even auto rickshaw wala was using internet, you know, and it was accessible everywhere. So and then we figured out that local businesses are still hesitating to go online because they were like, who's gonna take care of deliveries and all that, because they had n number of mediums available। वो WhatsApp पे order ले सकते थे, call पे ले सकते थे, दुकान app and n number of medium, but delivery was the only constraint। So there we came in picture, we provided them with a delivery service where they only have to pay for the deliveries they have made। So now they can grow at their own pace। वो दिन की एक डिलीवरी करा सकते, दिन की 50 डिलीवरी करा सकते, या महीने की एक डिलीवरी करा सकते।
ओके, सो आपका जो बिजनेस है वो नागपुर बेस्ड है। सो नागपुर में एम्प्लॉयमेंट भी जनरेशन हो रही है आपके थ्रू?
Yeah, so we have currently 27 plus delivery boys that
that's great.
In our fleet, and we have somewhere around 2 employees, a team like core employee team, and then there are some interns and some part-time workers. So it's like that.
Okay.
So some kind of employment is definitely being generated.
Yeah.
So that is that. So this was the, as I told, like this was the basically idea. So we spoke somewhere around 100 plus businesses। We told them, we asked them कि यार अगर ऐसा कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म प्रोवाइड करते हैं कि you only have to pay for the deliveries you have made, so आप करना चाहोगे क्या? Would you be able to go online? Would you take orders?
एंड जैसे हम देखते हैं कि यूथ्स को जनरली सेटल होने के पीछे ज़्यादा भाग रहती है, तो स्टार्टअप एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसमें थोड़ा रिस्क भी रहता है। सो
रिस्क तो डेफिनेटली रहता है एंड काफ़ी लुक्रेटिव रहता है, लाइक डूइंग अ जॉब, यू नो, बिकॉज स्टार्टअप में देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ स्ट्रगल्स इन द बिगनिंग।
यस,
और रिस्की भी रहता है बिकॉज देयर इज अनसर्टेनिटी की काफ़ी, बट दैट इज अ मिथ कि अनसर्टेनिटी रहती है। देयर इज नथिंग कॉल्ड अनसर्टेनिटी एट दिस पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू। तो अगर आप स्टार्टअप करते हो, आपका स्टार्टअप फेल होता है, तो यू हैव डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑफ वर्किंग इन अ स्टार्टअप। Okay, so that the youth is unaware of, so that's why that kind of thing that they are afraid of। Another thing is that कि they feel, you know, that FOMO pressure is there कि यार मेरे friends जो है वो 4 लाख का पैकेज, 5 लाख का, 8 लाख का कमा रहे हैं, and I'm, you know, I'm kind of broke and all, I'm still struggling, I have family pressure and all that stuff because you are not settled। So that kind of fear is always there।
ओके, नेक्स्ट थिंग इज कि नागपुर जैसी सिटी से कितना डिफिकल्ट होता है स्टार्टअप स्टार्ट करना, क्योंकि कंपैरेटिवली रिसोर्सेज ज़्यादा अच्छे होते हैं बिग सिटीज़ में। सो आपके लिए भी ये डिफिकल्ट था नागपुर से स्टार्ट करना?
या इनिशियली इट वाज क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट, बट इट हैज इट्स ओन पर्क्स एंड इट्स ओन कॉन्स। सो यू कैन से लाइक पर्क्स ये था कि देयर इज लाइक, यू नो, ecosystem is good, you can say, like there are other fellow startups who are quite who are quite helpful to you because there are not many present and everyone wants other to grow। And there was, I still recall one time I was facing issues with maps, so I called a cab based startup। I asked like कि hey, I am facing this issue and all। They didn't knew me कि मैं कौन हूँ, मेरा startup क्या है, but they still helped me out कि okay, you know, they sat with the with a code and, you know, did a research and provided a solution। So वो एक pro है कि like everyone is quite helpful। कॉन्स ये है कि थोड़ी फंड रेजिंग में थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी होती है बिकॉज देयर इज नॉट मच ऑफ अ अपॉर्चुनिटी काफ़ी स्टार्टअप इवेंट्स होते हैं बट इट्स स्टिल कंपेरेटिवली लेस टू बिग सिटीज़ लाइक बेंगलोर, पुणे और मुंबई बिकॉज देर आर लाइक फ्रीक्वेंटली these kind of events, investor meets and all that things are going on there. So in fundraising part it's bit kind of difficult but other than that it has its own cons and pros, yeah, because expertise and all that stuff is there.
सो डू यू सी नागपुर के फ्यूचर में स्टार्टअप है?
Yeah, definitely. Now there are a number of other groups who have been there and they are actively kind of helping out startups. And there are many people who are starting now. Shark Tank is already there, and
Yeah.
so people are getting awareness about startups. Families are getting aware about what startup is, and they are seeing that Zomato launching their own IPO. So there is definitely a good kind of you can say market that is emerging. And then there are some NGO type of groups available in Nagpur. Like there is a Thai group who provide nurture program to to train the you can say entrepreneurs, help out entrepreneurs with industry experts. And then there is Head Start. Then there is our own Vidarbh Industry Association, VIA. So these kinds of people help out the young minds and all for their requirements or expert you can say experts connect.
Okay, and how difficult it was in beginning to present yourself to the customers?
It was quite difficult because the market was unaware of such thing and all. They were, market, there was nothing such thing exist at that point of time
Right.
when we started. So it was difficult to, tell them like what we do, how the things will gonna be, and we have to go through a standardized process. So we have to make them understand like this would be the standardized process and all. So that was the kind of difficult part for us. But other than that, market loved us, like they supported us, and then there was word of mouth. Our marketing budget was almost to zero, because the people showed that much love. Of course, there was some kind of bad clients were there, but that's in every business, yeah. But morely like Nagpur audience supported us, and that's why here we are completed like 1.5 lakhs plus deliveries and aiming to do more than.
Great. Okay, so thank you, Kushal, for sharing your experience. It was a great time. Thank you.
Thank you so much for giving me opportunity to represent Nagpur ecosystem. Thank you so much.